Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this body butter. This is good for sensitive skin and it's good for eczema and rashes on the skin. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started. So to make this body butter, I'm going to be using shea butter. Unmelted shea butter, I didn't melt it, 1 tablespoon. And I have my cocoa butter, 1 tablespoon as well. I kind of eyeballed it, and after measuring it, I microwaved it. And as you can see, the butter did not melt completely. At this point, I have my oatmeal powder. I'm adding my oatmeal. Oatmeal help with clearing the skin against eczema and rashes. It helps to smoothen the skin. So I blend it together to help the powder to dissolve any lumps in it. So at this point, after blending it a little, then I cover and keep in the fridge so that the butters will cool down because it is hot. But I left it for too long and it became very solid. So I used my spoon to break it in pieces and blend it again. At this point, I'm transferring it to a smaller bowl because I noticed that the bigger one wasn't giving me what I wanted. So what you will notice here in blending with when you're blending with the hand blender, you see that it becomes very smooth. It looks like a lotion, and but remember, there's no water added to. There's no liquid in this butters. So but I love the smoothness. That's why I use hand blender instead of the mixer. So I blended this for about 10 minutes. And that's the consistency I got, and I love it. This is how I want it. If you want it more, you can go ahead and keep blending, but for this tutorial, that's how I want it. So at this point, after blending, and you sanitize your container of your choice, and you transfer to it. And remember, I added vitamin E oil and sweet almond oil, but those ones are optional. If you don't have it, you're good with the shea butter and the cocoa butter. So after blending this, and I transfer to my bottle. So this is the consistency I got. At this point, your body butter is ready, and this butter is good for sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, this butter is good for you. And if you react to fragrance and chemicals and lotions, this is also good for you. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, share my videos, and like. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share my videos, like them, and see you in my next video. Bye.